Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will learn how to generate the Fibonacci sequence using Python in a very simple way. So let's start with the program. Our first line is n equals to int input enter the number of terms. Here we are taking input from the user. The user will enter how many Fibonacci numbers they want. Then we will convert it into an integer using int. Here we are using int to convert this into the integer. Next line is a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. These are the first two numbers of the Fibonacci series. The series always starts with 0 and 1. Next we check the condition if n less than or equal to 0. It means if the user enters 0 or negative number, we display a message, please enter a positive number. In else part, if the input is valid, we print the Fibonacci series. Now comes to the main logic, which is for loop for I in range of n. It means this loop runs n times based on the user input. Inside the loop, we print a. With the help of print statement, we will print a. Now, with the help of print a, we print the current Fibonacci number. Our next line is c equals to a plus b. Here we calculate the next number by adding previous two number. Then a equals to b and b equals to c. Here we update the values. Now b becomes new a and c becomes new b. This process continues until the loop ends. So this is how we generate the Fibonacci series in Python using a simple for loop. So now let's execute this program. Now press the run button. Enter the number of terms. So I am entering here 6. Enter. So this is our Fibonacci series which is generated while I am entering the number of terms, which is 6, which is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we are adding the previous two number, which is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Here the code will execute and run. Here the code is work like that. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.